Top 10 food swaps to cut calories instantly. Want to lose weight without giving up your favorite foods? The secret isn't starving yourself, it's making smarter choices. In this video, you'll discover 10 easy food swaps that instantly cut calories and help you stay full longer, without sacrificing taste. Let's dive right in. 1. Swap white bread for whole grain bread. White bread is low in fiber and causes quick sugar spikes. Switch to whole grain bread. It's packed with fiber, keeps you full, and supports better digestion. Bonus, you might even eat less at your next meal. 2. Swap sugary yogurt for plain Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt is higher in protein, lower in sugar, and more filling. Most fruit-flavored yogurts are loaded with hidden sugar. Add your own fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey for sweetness you control. 3. Swap French fries for baked sweet potato wedges. Craving fries? You don't have to give them up. Just cut sweet potatoes into wedges, season them, and bake. You get that crispy comfort food feel with more fiber and fewer unhealthy fats. 4. Swap soda for sparkling water with lemon. Soda is one of the biggest sources of empty calories. Replace it with sparkling water and a squeeze of lemon or fruit slices. It's refreshing, fizzy, and won't spike your blood sugar. 5. Swap creamy salad dressings for olive oil and vinegar. Creamy dressings like ranch or Caesar can turn a healthy salad into a calorie bomb. Olive oil and vinegar give you flavor without the heavy fats. And they support heart health too. 6. Swap butter for mashed avocado. Butter is high in saturated fat and calories. Mashed avocado adds creaminess, healthy fats, and nutrients like potassium. Perfect for spreading on toast, sandwiches, or even mixing into pasta. 7. Swap milk chocolate for dark chocolate. Milk chocolate is more sugar than cocoa. Try dark chocolate with 70% cocoa or more. You'll need less to satisfy your sweet tooth, and get some antioxidants too. 8. Swap ice cream for frozen banana bites. Ice cream is hard to resist. They're sweet, creamy, and way lighter on calories and sugar. But frozen banana slices dipped in dark chocolate can do the trick. 9. Swap white rice for cauliflower rice. White rice is dense in calories and low in fiber. Cauliflower rice is low carb, low calorie, and absorbs flavor beautifully. You won't even miss the real thing once it's seasoned right. 10. Swap store-bought muffins for homemade oat muffins. Store-bought muffins are often just cupcakes without frosting, packed with sugar and oil. Make your own with oats, bananas, and eggs. You'll cut calories, sugar, and still enjoy a satisfying snack. Cutting calories doesn't have to be painful. These simple swaps help you eat smarter, feel fuller, and stay energized, all without strict dieting. Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple health tips every week. Which swap are you going to try first?